Hey everyone, welcome to the replay if you're watching the replay. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So I haven't been here in a while. It's been kind of crazy here, but I wanted to get back going with making videos for you guys so that you can see how our fun products work at Chalk Couture. Tonight I am going to be doing a galvanized, it's just a metal galvanized tin that I purchased from a local craft store. I thought this would be really cute for the summer season. If you've got flowers, now if you've got fresh flowers, obviously they look amazing in this, but I am just going to use some flowers that I purchased from there as well. If you are watching, you are welcome to share this video if you love it. In the bottom left hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. I would greatly appreciate it if you would share my video. So, super excited to share this with you today. Now, I couldn't decide which ones I wanted to use, and I apologize. I can't see if anyone is joining. My iPad actually died, so it's up there being charged. So I will say hi to you and welcome. If you comment below, say hello, let me know you're watching the replay. I will respond to you. I just apologize. Like I said, my iPad is currently dead. So I don't know if I want to do like fresh grown flowers or if I want to do loads and then no, that's going to be too big. So this is actually part of our vintage truck transfer that we offer. All of our transfers are silk screen reusable transfers. So what that means is when you're done with these, you clean them up with water and Clorox wipes and you can use them over and over again, where you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. So again, they are very versatile. You can mix and match transfers. We have a ton of transfers currently available, and I have to tell you, on July 2nd, we have a brand new catalog launching, and I'm going to show you this at the end. I'm going to show you some pictures. We have a new catalog. This will go live on January 2nd. And then we also have a brand new starter kit because we are a home party plan company. So you can do this in the comforts of your own home. You can do this through an Etsy shop. You can do this through local boutiques, vendor shows. If you just like to make crafts and sell them, you can do it. But our designer kit is $99. This actually new designer kit, I don't know if you can see that, but it's $99. You're going to get over $240 worth of product, and that goes live on July 1st. So we are looking for designers all across the US. And like I said, there's many different ways you can run your business, which is really cool. Like, I love to do my videos and share this with others. I also like to do local craft shows where I sell my finished products. So you can use these on chalkboards. Obviously, we're called Chalk Couture. You can do chalkboards, galvanized metal, glass, wood, windows, walls. We also have our Couture inks where you can do things on t-shirts, hats, pants, pillows, blankets. So many other options. Cups, really cool. You can make your own cups, right? Totally cool, the things you can do with our products. So let's get back what you're here to see, which is our galvanized metal. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know if I want to use part of the vintage truck, or this one was called Love Grows Here, and it's a really cute one too. This one has, like, I could do Love Grows Here, and then this one has all the little succulents, the really cool succulents that you can piece together. So that's what that one is. I think I might do that. Like, if I put the word love here and then grows here. What do you think? Yeah, let's do that one. Let's do that one. Because I'm not going to be putting fresh flowers in today, so I'm not sure. Of course, that might have been cute too. Oh my gosh. This is the hard part, trying to decide what you want to do and what colors you want to do. Now, I will be using chalk paste, our Chalkology chalk paste for this design. All of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So, oh gosh, guys, that might look really pretty too. What do you think? Oh gosh. I think I might just do the, no. I'm gonna go with the Love Grows Here. So our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. They are, so just so you can see here, when you get them, you want to stir them up. The chalk paste is kind of like a liquid. You want to make sure it's like a yogurt sour cream consistency. If you need to add water to these, you absolutely can. So you just want to stir these up. They go on as a liquid and then they dry as a solid. Now, they are semi-permanent. So what that means for you is that if at any point in time that you want to change out your product or your project, you absolutely can do that. You can clean it up with water and Clorox wipes. But if you don't want to, if you want this to be permanent, or like, just so you can see here, like I've sealed this one. So this is the chalk paste and this is not coming off. I'm rubbing my hands across it, and all I did was use a Krylon sealer. I hope you can see that. This is the Krylon sealer I use to seal my projects to make them permanent. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. If it's going to be inside, it's not going to be accessible to getting hit with water, then you definitely don't need to seal it. But this is something I will definitely probably seal.
I'm back!
Hi, Matthew's here. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm just going to get my transfer, and I've already written on the back because you want to make sure you know what side is the backing. And let me move my flowers out of the way here.
Are you going to put the flowers in there?
Yep, we're going to do that at the end, sweetie. You're going to take your transfer. Now, because I'm using this on the galvanized metal, what I want to do is I'm going to do something called fuzzing up my transfer. And all that means is I'm just applying it to a terry cloth towel. Let me go ahead and open this one too. And I'm just getting a little bit of fuzz on the back of it before I apply it to this, because they're sticky. These are all sticky, and I don't want it to be super, super sticky that I can't remove it. So I think I'm going to go, oh, I've got a piece of hair on there. Sorry, I have doggies. I have dog hair everywhere sometimes.
Why do we have a sink back here?
That's for the camper, honey. Daddy's going to replace it.
Oh.
So I'm just going to put this on here where I want it. Just like that. And then you want to smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within the silk screen area. Okay? You're just going to smooth that out just where the silk screen is. The green part doesn't matter to me, because I'm not using my chalk paste on that. Now I'm going to get squeegees, and we sell all these. We sell the chalk paste, we sell the transfers. Like I said, I got this at a local craft store. We sell the squeegees. The squeegees actually come like this, and then I cut mine so that they're kind of easier for me to use. And this is not such a big project that I need something bigger than that.
Didn't we have an even bigger one, like the one with the handle?
We do. It's in there, sweetie. That's our large one for our large projects. So again, as you can see, this green, this is our beautiful emerald green. We just came out with this color. It's a little bit thicker, and our chalk paste, by the way, comes in 35 different colors, but this is a little bit thicker. So I'm going to add some water to this and stir it up. So we just had our national convention a few days ago, and they just, you know, like I said, they launched our new catalog that's coming out on July 1st, and everything will be available to order for right online on July 2nd. And I have to tell you, everything is so right on trend, you guys. We've got your fall flowers and your pumpkins. We've got sunflowers. So I'm going to show you that here towards the end a little bit. And then I will do another video showcasing the whole catalog, but there we go. That's a little better. We've got some new chalk paste. We've got some new ink. So a lot of great things coming. So I'm going to do the word love. I think I'm going to do that one in white. So I'm just going to get my squeegee, get my chalk paste, and I'm just going to squeegee that right on there. Now, when you're doing this, it doesn't matter if you go left or right, up or down. It does not matter. You just want to put a little bit of pressure where that is so that you get your chalk paste through the silk screen area. And then you wipe off any excess that you don't need. And you put it right back in the jar. Then you're going to remove your transfer. And like I said, usually with this, it's kind of sticky when it goes on galvanized. So I just want to make sure I pull it evenly gonna put that in water. My transfer is gonna go in water so that I can clean it up later, but look how cute that is, right? How cute is this gonna be on the back porch? Maybe when you have company over, you can put your fresh flowers in here. Super cute. So now I could dry this with my hair dryer. I'm just gonna let it air dry, no big deal. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my Love Grows here. So again, just gonna remove this. Fun stuff, you guys. Please make sure you comment below. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know what you think of how cool this is. Just think of all the different things you could do. Like I said, there are so many different surfaces. You can do banners with our ink. You could do things on ribbons. You could, if you make wreaths, if you're the crafter who likes to make wreaths, or maybe you even scrapbook. We have a lot of great transfers for that stuff. So definitely make sure you check that out on my website at chalkandwitjen.com. Or if you want to learn more about the opportunity, we do have an opportunity group I would be happy to add you to. Just write info below in the comments and I'll be sure to send you a friend request and add you. I'd love to share that with you. So again, just smoothing out any air bubbles. You don't want those in the silkscreen area. My little helper left me. My little Matthew, my doggies down here. Do you hear them? There he is. Okay, I'm just smoothing it out so that there are no air bubbles within my silkscreen area. I'm gonna get my chalk paste. So yeah, we have so many different colors. So many different colors. 35 in the ink. We have new colors coming out for summer and fall in our new catalog. And we have 35 in the chalk paste. My fault there. See what happens when you're live? And then we have 15 ink colors. And like I said, the inks are where you can do t-shirts and pillowcases, cups, mugs, dishes. Of course, with the dishes, they would only be for show. You really don't want to eat off them. Just scraping off any excess. And then I'm going to remove and transfer. And that's it, you guys. Look at that. Look how cute that turned out, right? And then while that's drying, like I said, I just bought these. I'm gonna do this off to the side here. I know you can't see it, but I will try to show you the end result. I know it's kind of awkward because you guys are on there, but you can go ahead and add your cute little flowers like that. Oh, you guys can't see it that well, but okay, here you go. Something like that. And I will take a picture to show you how awesome it looks in the upright position. So cute, right? You could do watering cans outside, so many cute things. So that's as easy as it is. And if you love all those DIY projects, this is definitely something you want to look into. So this is, like I said, the new catalog that's coming out. We have a lot of great new things. Like I said, we have that new starter kit, which is super awesome. All of our new inks. We have new chalk paste colors. And you guys, the new things I have to show you. We have a cute little sunflower coming out, some pumpkin transfers. If you like the farmhouse, we have a lot of great things with that. This one I totally want to show you. Oh, look how cute. Mr. and Mrs. Converse. How awesome is that? Super cute. And like I said, I'm going to do a big walkthrough, but I wanted to show you my favorite one is, where is it? Look at this. Look how cute that is. I'm only in it for the candy with candy corn on a pillow. So cute, you guys. So there's a lot of great things, the pumpkins, but this is my favorite. This is our vintage truck. And then we have the vintage truck add-on, you guys. If you're ever looking for anything in Chalk Couture where, like I said, if you don't seal your projects, you can change them in and out. The vintage truck and the vintage truck add-ons, you can change your decor for each and every season. And be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the fun crafty videos of all the different things you can do. And actually, I show you how you can remove things and redo them and things like that. So super awesome. But you guys, this is our new catalog. It is right on trend with all the beautiful home decor out there. A lot of different things. We have new surfaces coming out that we will actually be offering. New chalkboards, very reasonably priced. Our pillowcases, canvases, banners, wood, framed wood boards. So a lot of great things coming from Chalk Couture, you guys. So again, if you want to learn more about what it is, about hosting a Sip and Chalk if you're local to me, please reach out to me, as I would love to share more information with you about Chalk Couture and getting together. And again, I hope you love my new Love Grows. I think this is going to be great on my back patio. I will take a full upright picture for you so you can see how cute it is. And I hope you love the end result. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see where some of you are from. And I'll say hello shortly. Have a great evening.